Why you select the
Yes,
Japan University Nagoya? There's a lot of university maybe
yes,
there in your country also.
yes. I have to share it to all of the countries with English, right? So I have to expert well English to share it to all of the peoples.
So that is a really booster for you. You can build your communication with them and get confident, and that is really amazing for you as an English learner.
Of course, America, because America is one of the great country, and also I want to.
Hello guys, this is me Abu Bakar. So once again, I'm here with the new interview challenge with my guest from Indonesia, Luki. He's a really expert engineer. Hello Luki, how are you?
Yes, hello, Mr. Abu. I'm great. What about you?
Yeah, thank you so much. Everything is perfect. And good evening from my side because here in Pakistan around 8 o'clock. Okay, so what's going on in there in Indonesia and introduce yourself for our viewers.
Oh, just introduce myself. Okay, thank you, Mr. Abu. Sorry. Okay, my name is Luki Hariando Purba, Indonesian or my real name, but my nickname is Lucky. So, yeah, I'm from Indonesia. I graduated with master's degree in civil engineering in 2022, and in 2023, I work as a lecturer, civil engineering lectures in one of university in Indonesia. That's my job. And the other side, I also a host in international speak English community. So I facilitate the Zoom, paid Zoom for all of the peoples in various countries to develop or to improve their English in our community. Okay, just it for my introduction.
Okay,
Thank
that's
you.
amazing. That's a really a fantastic thing. We are on the same page and we have same goals to facilitate the people. They improve his English, get confidence in English. Okay, let's move to some questions I want to ask you. So what inspired you to become a civil engineer?
Okay, to be civil engineering, at that time I was very something like curious about how to construct the building, how to make the building strong. So I tried at that time to take a civil engineering project for undergraduate. And yeah, so after I took that subject, and it made me something like to stimulate myself to learn how to construct the building, how to design the building strong, something like that. So that's make me to inspire myself to learn in civil engineering.
Mhm. So, okay, you say in the beginning, you say you are a lecturer in the university. So, what do you enjoy most about being a lecturer in university?
Okay, to make the people enjoy to be a lectures is one. You have to know that a lectures is not about to get money or to earn much money. That's false. So, in my opinion, to be a lecturer, we have to know that this is one of the way to make the people, to educate the people, and to make people expertise to educate the people. So this is not a business, but this is about education. So if you love educator and you want to be a lecturer to educate someone, to make someone know about your expertise, yeah, just maybe yeah in your mind something like that. So if you just have something like want to earn much money, want to be rich man, so to be a lecturer is not the best way, I think. So but if you want to be educator, to educate someone, to have knowledge about expertise, our expertise, let's be lecturers, let's be educator. Yeah,
Mhm.
so if you have it, and you will love and enjoy to be a lecturer. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. I agree with you. Okay, so you are lecturer in university as well. You are a host in the English
Speak English community, yes.
community. Okay, so how do you become a host there in that community?
Okay, in 2022, this community from my friend, and I joined the group from Facebook. Then I tried to attend every meeting at 9 o'clock every night. So at a time, one of the hosts left the community. Yeah, cannot host anymore, something like that. I asked the host to the founder of that community, and the founder said, "Yeah, you can be a host in this community." And that's the first one. The second one, what's made me exciting to be a host, because I cannot speak English confidently at that time. So I tried to be a host because I want to improve my English as well, and also to speak confidently. Yeah.
Mhm.
And the third is, yeah, of course, I want to help the people also to facilitate the paid Zoom to all of the peoples in various countries, yeah, to improve their English. So
Mm.
that's motivate me to be a host. Thank
Okay,
you.
as a host, definitely you communicate with a lot of people there, and you create there is a some bracket room for different member. They are beginner or some or they are expert, so you communicate with them all the time around maybe half hour, maybe sometime an hour. So that is a really booster for you. You can build your communication with them and get confident, and that is really amazing for you as an English learner. Okay, so what do you think,
Yes.
what is the biggest challenges especially the English learner face when they start the communication in first time?
Okay, in the beginner, it's same with my experience. I was very afraid of speaking in English. I worried about grammar. I worried about people's mind. They don't want to speak in English. They're afraid of speaking in English, about the grammar, about the yeah, to make mistake. So they are so shy, yeah, to speak in English, to make mistake. So that's the biggest challenge, yeah, because I invite many peoples, especially my friend. I invite them to join my meeting. Yeah, Indonesian people, I mean.
Hmm.
And they didn't want to join the meeting because of that. Yeah, they worried about grammar. They worry about making mistakes, right? The biggest
Mhm.
challenge, all of the people.
I think this is not a big deal if you are not good in grammar. Just focus on your communications, start a conversation with someone. So later on, when you understand everything, then you focus on the grammar. But initial stage, if you focus on the grammar, that's really tough for you. You can build a connection with someone or start a conversation with someone. So
Yes.
I conduct, I think, almost 25 or 30 interviews with different teachers, and everyone say don't focus on the grammar in initial stage. If you are focused on communications, if you are good in communication, or create a conversation with someone, after that later on you just focus on the grammar, because that time you are able to understand everything.
Yes. Yeah. At that time also, I was afraid of the grammar, and I tried to make my friend to be confident that when they're speaking in English, don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about making mistakes, because if you speak in English and there is a mistake, that's okay. At least the people know what do you mean, understand what are you saying. One, yeah, maybe I have to motivate all of the people, I mean, yeah, something like, yeah, to get the way. How do we? And like you say, Mr. Abu, I will try something like that. Don't worry about the grammar. Just speak.
Mm,
Just
exactly.
say what do you want to say. Yeah,
Mm,
make them just understand. Don't worry about the grammar. Yes, I
okay.
agree with.
Okay. So, what do you think? What is the best way to gain a confidence in English?
Okay, to confident in English, I think just try to speak. Don't worry about who are in front of you. Like you, Mr. Abu. Maybe you are something like have a good position, have a good career, right? So I don't worry whoever you are. Yeah. If I consider that you are something like have a good education, have a good degree, yeah, I will be afraid, right? Something like that to speak in English. So the best way to make the people confidently speak in English is just speak whatever you want to speak. Make them understand. Make them know what you are saying, right?
Yeah.
But the first one is don't worry about the grammar. The secondly is don't speak too fast.
Mm,
So the best way is just speak gradually and make the people know every word you when you are speaking. Yeah, something like that for the
exactly.
best way to make the
Yeah.
people
I I
speak in
totally I
confidence.
totally agree with you. Yeah. Right. Okay. So, why do you want to pursue your PhD in Japan, Nagoya University?
Okay, yes. The first one about why I want to take PhD. Uh, that's the requirement of a lecturer in Indonesia, and we have to PhD degree if want to remain as a lecturer in the long term time, right? The second one, why in Nagoya University?
Yeah.
Nagoya University, one of
Why you
the
select the
yes,
Japan University Nagoya? There's a lot of university maybe
yes,
there in your country also.
yes. Indonesia also have many universities for PhD, but
Exactly.
why Nagoya University?
Mm,
Nagoya University is one of the famous university in Japan who have a great technology, especially in civil engineering,
mm,
especially for the seismic performance of building. They have something like large scale of building when they want to test the building after something like
yeah.
to model the condition, the situation when there is earthquake. Yeah, it
Mm,
can something like model how to say to make an experimental test.
mm. Like how do you secure
Yeah,
during the
experimental
earthquake
test,
you are
and there
building?
is laboratory.
I, you
Sorry,
are
can you repeat again? Sorry.
there in the Japan, lot of buildings they are totally secure from the earthquake. So this is a
Yeah,
new invention there. They are totally secure in the earthquake when they are the earthquake like
yes,
around 7.5 or something like that. So they easily manage that that earthquake.
yes, because Japan they have large earthquake
Mm,
for their experience, so they focus on seismic or earthquake to make the building safe when the earthquake is coming. Yeah, so something like that.
okay.
So
So
just it. That's my PhD also
okay.
dissertation research.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So what's your long-term goal after completing your doctor's
Okay.
studies?
Okay, in the long-term goal, the first one I want to be a lecturer, and second one I want to be a researcher and to develop of knowledge about the seismic, how to make the building strong, like I said before. Yeah.
Okay, so how do you think English will help you during your PhD?
Okay. You know that our knowledge have to share to all of the countries. If I want to share my knowledge in civil engineering, especially in structural engineering, how to make the building strong, right? I have to share it to all of the countries with English, right? So I have to expert well English to share it to all of the peoples yeah, that's why I also want to develop or improve my English. Yeah, this is my knowledge. This is my research. Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's move to some another question. If you could travel anywhere, so which country you choose for your traveling?
America, of course, America, because America is one of the great country, and also I want to be part of America.
Yeah, there you can get a lot of opportunity for your job because there's a lot of buildings and they're investing on the buildings and lot of scope for the engineers.
Yes, and that's the main goals. And the second goal, I want to go to America for one of the plan, and I cannot in my mind because it is very sacred for me. Yes,
Okay.
that's my goal. Yes.
Yeah. For your job purpose, definitely you can visit to USA and there you can get a very fantastic job for your future. You can secure your future there. Okay, let's move to our last questions. What advice would you give to those students who want to study in abroad?
Oh, study abroad. Okay. Yeah, my advice is because for Indonesian people maybe we lack of technology in here. So if you want to get more advanced technology, so just try to study abroad because they have a great uh, technology there. Yeah, so that's the first one. The second one, and you will meet who have who have patience in your plan, something like. And yeah, I will learn from their knowledge and get many knowledge from them, something like that. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much, Lucky, for your time. Your all advice definitely it will be help out our viewers and students. They watch your comments and your advice definitely. So we have a few minutes in the last moment. Do you want to say something for our viewers?
Yeah, the first one, thank you for Mr. Abu, and thank you for all of the viewers. And don't forget to watch all of the video of Mr. Abu Bakar videos because this is very interesting and making all of the people to be excited, to know English and to know many knowledge will share to all of you viewers. Okay,
Thank you so much for your this comments, and definitely every my new interview have with the different people for different part of world, and they have a different accents and they have a different professionals, so you can learn a lot of things from them. Okay, thank you so much and keep it up and wait for another interview. Thank you so much, Lucky.
Okay,
Bye
thank
bye.
you, Mr. Abu. Bye bye.